General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. What is this? It's Monday. It's Tuesday. March 25th, 2025. News. Forex Factory. I don't think it's no red for Wednesday. Durable goods, medium. Yeah, let's before we even call the medium impact news insignificant, let's see if it changed the numbers. Because you just be like, oh, medium don't mean nothing. But it could push this a little bit. See if it changed. See, it did. Went down some. So we at 11% here. And then we at 67% here. I think that's about the same. Earnings, I know we don't got no earnings. Close this. Go here. Close this. And let's go to the dollar. See what I mean? I had a feeling it could have took that high, but is this Tuesday high of the week? Still thinking this. We can leave that here. We open, high, low, close. This could just be a retracement. We didn't close below here. That's the thing. So let's get here. We wicked the high, but didn't close below the low. It's holding. When we're looking for sales, we want to see institutional sponsorship, not a long wick after we push down. I don't think it's ready yet. We need to close below this low. Let's go to today. And this target hit. Target hit. Let's go to the weekly. Okay, no signs of slowing down. We're inside a weekly fair value gap. No signs of slowing down. Price inside a weekly fair value gap. What is going on with my keys? Let's go to the daily. Strong push through this high and we close through it. Strong push through this high and we close through it. Higher prices are on the menu. No CSD. No sign of retracement just yet. Also note Monday's candle is a bullish fair value gap now. We can trade back to it and find support. Let's go to the H4. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna still keep this on the chart. It's an old daily high. And I'm gonna take this and this. What's next over here? long wick that took this. Like, it would have to be here. Man, that's far. This would be closer. I don't even think it'd get up there. I'm just thinking about ADR, how these candles are printed. Higher is definitely on the menu, but to where is the question. You can say, oh, this gap here don't got no bodies in it. That type of vibe. The gap starts here. This is equilibrium with this. So this is low hanging fruit. 2638. $26.38 is low hanging fruit. 26.38 is low hanging fruit. Definitely high for now. As for me, waiting for the sale. Not that. Let's go to H1. Yeah, we definitely. I'll hit the caps lock button. What's over here? Smack that. This kind of disrespecting this up candle here. This is still my low hanging fruit because it's H4 level, but this actually doesn't look too bad. Let's give it a different color. Yeah, I would feel really comfortable selling this. We only came to this quadrant too. Previous quarter's low, bounced off of it, so it's an old daily high. Can I put this in there and make it fit? That'll work. 26.38 is low hanging fruit. 27.03.25. I would look for sales really. We even can sweep Tuesday's high. Tuesday high, do something crazy. It'd be like press the button. 26.38.00. It's my low hanging fruit. I'm also watching the failure swing at 2703.25. If and when it sells, I want to see speed, breakaway gaps. It's watching boom, boom, boom. If and when it sells, I want to see speed and breakaway gaps. Then I will have the conviction to add to it. Let me see this. What's this? 1167. Let's go back and see what that was. It was 11.67 yesterday. Yep, that went up. It went up. So yes, today was what? This stuff? Consumer confidence? It went 765. Let me go throw that on there. 765. Let's go look at Forex Factory. Ooh, came in red. Take note of today's medium impact news. We don't pay attention to it, but the Feds do, as shown in the increase of chances for rate cuts. Take note of today's medium impact news. We don't pay attention to it, but the Feds do, as shown in the increase of chance for rate cuts. 7% yesterday. Today's 11. Hold up. That's not a percent sign. 65% yesterday. Today is 67. Medium impact news is important to the Feds. Earnings is nothing. Nothing important for NASDAQ. Gotta wait for Q2. For earnings volatility. Top 10 companies. NASDAQ gotta wait for Q2. Q2 for earnings volatility with the top 10 companies. And NASDAQ. No, and nothing important, so we gotta wait to earnings volatility with the top 10 companies in the NASDAQ. A30 could give us a medium Judas. They're called the mediums. Medium Judas with this medium impact news. Okay. All right. That's that on that. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Peace.